little artist. I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing pumpkins. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's start on the left side of the paper by doing a curvy line that goes to the left and it just goes down a little, and then one to the right and it just goes down a little bit. Now let's go down here and we're gonna end in a curvy line, and let's do half of a curve here. And now I'm gonna do a letter U, a wide letter U. Extend this line. Now let's do another half, and the last one is gonna go up. Next thing is the pumpkin stem. So for that, I'm gonna do a curvy line that goes to the right, and then flat line, and then go down. It's almost like a rectangle. For the eyes, I'm doing two big circles. So leave a space in the middle and do another circle. Inside of these ones, I'm gonna do smaller circles, and I'm gonna start filling with black, but I wanna stop right there because I wanna leave a white space in the middle for a little bit of shine. Smile is tiny, and now the eyebrows are two diagonal lines. There. Now let's continue with the lines on the pumpkin. But I wanna do these lines no touching the face. I'm not gonna touch the face. And these lines are a little bit curvy, just following the other ones I have, and then that's it. Continue with the one on the top. Okay, well, let's do a curvy line here and a curvy line to the right. And now on the top, I'm gonna do leaves, and these ones are letter U's together, and the shape doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Now let's do the stem. It's just a triangle, a rectangle shape. Now let's close this little line right here and the little line right here. Perfect. Now we're gonna do here like those little vines that stick to the pumpkin sometimes, it's kind of like a curl right here. Let's do two. There. Now I'm gonna continue with the eyes. So for that, I'm doing two letter U, upside down U's, so he looks super happy. And his mouth is wide open. So for that, I'm doing kind of like another U shape and a line on the top. And now let's do the tongue. It's gonna be two curvy lines, just like that. Now let's continue doing the lines like the lines we did on the pumpkin on the bottom. And remember, do not touch the face with those lines. We're gonna skip the face, okay? Just one more here and one more here. And that's it, we finished. Now let's continue with the pumpkin down here. This one is gonna repeat the shape for the first pumpkin. Remember how we do two curves on the top? Now let's go to the bottom, do half a curve, another half, and a U shape. Now let's do half, half, and go up. Let's close this one right here. Okay, the eyes in this one are gonna be very similar to the first pumpkin as well, but the inside, the circle that I'm gonna put inside is gonna be looking up a little, okay? So I'm gonna start here doing a circle, and I'm gonna start filling a little bit, but if you notice, it's kind of like more to the top left. Let's do the eyebrows and now the lines. So 1, 2, and let's do 1 and 2. Now let's do the stem of this pumpkin. The same shape we did with the other ones, kind of like a rectangle shape. Now the leaves here are also kind of like letter U's together. And I'm just gonna do one of those vines, one of those curls right here. There we go. Okay, the last pumpkin. This one is a little bit more like a oval shape. So let's go up from this point. We're gonna go up and around and going back down. You can go super slow, and now let's go curve here, curve in the other side, and a U shape in the middle. This one just have two curves on the sides. Now the mouth is gonna be open. So let's do a curvy line and then a U shape under, and the tongue is kind of like a letter M. Now let's continue with the eyes, and these eyes are also super happy. So remember, it's like two U shapes, upside down U's, and the eyebrows. And the stem is gonna be over here, small rectangle. And let's do also leaves. These are the shape of my leaf, but you don't have to do it exactly like mine, okay? Now let's go down with the lines. No touching the face, remember? Line, line, one more, and the last one. And that's it, we've finished. And now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.